टुडे इज मंडे एंड अभी 7 बज रहे, सो फटाफट पुच्चू को घुमा के लाते हैं, फिर काम स्टार्ट करते हैं। Honestly, it doesn't feel real. Hi guys, it's 8 now. We'll have our pre-workout and we'll go to the gym. But thing is that
Made the viral cheesecake, guys. I'm kidding you not. ये बिस्कॉफ और ग्रीक योगर्ट का कॉम्बिनेशन इज so good and it's so easy to make. Follow my Instagram for that.
too damn delicious. I will have my pre-workout and we'll meet in the gym. Hi guys, after coming from the gym, I took the shower. Now I am getting ready for the office. And today I'll show you my office and let's meet there. Today at the office, we worked on something a bit technical. We are migrating our mobile app from REST APIs to GraphQL APIs. Basically, it means the app can now load data faster and use less unnecessary data from the server. Hi guys, now I am back to home. So before starting, I will explain one point. So this is for all the beginners who started the coding recently. I will explain why we are migrating from REST API to GraphQL. Back to the 5 years, हम REST API ही यूज करते थे. REST API में क्या होता है? So एक पर्टिकुलर सेट ऑफ डेटा हम फिक्स कर देते हैं सर्वर पे फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर API. So अगर हम API कॉल कर रहे हैं, देन वो पर्टिकुलर सेट ऑफ डेटा ही आएगा. ओके. रिसेंटली इन GraphQL यू कैन कॉल पर्टिकुलर डेटा. लेट्स से आपको 2 डेटा चाहिए या 3 डेटा चाहिए, पर्टिकुलरली वही डेटा ही मंगा सकते. GraphQL mostly solves two problems, that is overfetching and underfetching. Let's comes to the overfetching. Okay, so let's say आपको 2 डेटा चाहिए और 5 डेटा चाहिए, right? बट REST API में क्या होगा कि आपको एक साथ पूरा डेटा ही मंगाना पड़ेगा. बट GraphQL में क्या होगा कि आप अगर 5 डेटा चाहिए तो 5 डेटा ही आप मंगाओगे, राइट? सो इट सॉल्व्स द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ओवरफेचिंग. अंडरफेचिंग में क्या, लेट्स से एक रेस्टफुल एपीआई का एंड पॉइंट में 10 ही डेटा आ रहा है, राइट? बट आपको 2 डेटा और चाहिए, तो उसके लिए आप रेस्टफुल एपीआई में क्या करोगे कि आपको और एक रिक्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा फॉर दैट 2 डेटास, राइट? बट GraphQL में क्या होगा कि आप एक साथ 12 डेटा मंगा सकते हो. सो दिस सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ underfetch. There is lot of advantages for using the GraphQL, but mostly these are the two things. So if you want, comment down. I will create a full tutorial on GraphQL, how to implement GraphQL with Node.js or other backend technologies, and how you can start your journey in GraphQL. So let's come to our plan for today. So I will check all the Upwork proposals that I have sent yesterday and also the LinkedIn in some time. So guys, I was just checking on Upwork, but there is no reply from any project on Upwork. But still, we'll try to send more proposal on today. But in LinkedIn, we got the replies from 2 founders. I'll set the meeting for tomorrow. So guys, if you are building any startup or you are a founder and you need any MVP for your product, basically the SaaS product, then let me know. I can help you in your MVPs. Now, let me continue on my migration work. See you guys. I'll give more update tomorrow. Thank you so much guys. Like, share and subscribe.